Hi my friends, I will show you how you can customize your left and right swipe action on Gmail for Android. So how you can do this? This is actually a new feature that Google just released. Go to Gmail and go to the settings. So here on the settings, select general setting, and here you have the option swipe actions. Just press on right swipe change and you select whatever you want, and let's say mark as read or unread, and left swipe, archive, delete, or whatever you want. So this is how you can do this. It's quite easy, it's quite intuitive, and this is a great option for Gmail.